How to fix group policy can't create a file when it already exists error. 1. Create a file in Windows Save Mode. 2. Update Windows. 3. Run a system file checker, SFC, scan. Commands include, sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health/source Clear the data in any auto run key at HKey_local_machine /software /Microsoft /command processor in registry editor.